Okay, so I'm Dale Johnson.
I'm Alice Ledyard.
And we're TiaFi Design. And we're a branding agency. So we take companies, organisations, people, give them a visual identity, and then we can apply that identity then across a range of media, from printed, traditional outputs through to digital, such as websites and social media. We've discussed in depth youth entrepreneurship, really.
We talked about what the Welsh Assembly Government can do to help us, really, and what we think they should be doing.
Our experiences, how we got going, what support we had, how we feel about what we're doing in the industry, and our suggestions really for how the Welsh Assembly Government can improve the support and advice and funding that people like ourselves can get. If we don't input, then nothing's going to progress, nothing's going to get done. So we can sit there and whinge all we want, or we can sort of
speak up and get things done,
and help each other rather than battling against each other.
Yeah.